Welcome back to my channel. This is the bonus episode of my guide to Doha International Airport. This time, I had a 4-hour layover. Let's see what the real transit experience is like. Oh, I just arrived at Doha and I will have a 4 hour 30 minutes as a layover. I landed at 4 a.m. but the airport was already very lively despite the early hour. Although I'm calling this video as a guide, you honestly don't need much advice from me. Just follow the flow of passengers and you will nearly end up where you need to go. Unless you are making self-transfer, that is, connecting between separate tickets or different airlines, you will have much more enough time to catch your next flight. In fact, I don't know where I go, so I just follow other passengers. And there should be some transfer counter or check desk or security check to do our transit. So I'm sure people just walking towards the transfer counter or immigration transfer. Okay, so this is the view of the security checkpoint. So that you have to open up your backpack and there's some luggage and show what you have inside, and then security officer will check your bag, everything. That is the process, same as all other airports. Right, so after security check, you will see and you will reach this tropical garden called the Orchard, an indoor tropical garden. And I spent I spent a couple of minutes in the orchard. It's so beautiful. You will be so amazed the beauty of this tropical garden and glass ceiling. And from any angle, all angles, you will see how beautiful it is. It's a magic, iconic display of architecture. I just love that. This is why Doha Airport is so famous for transit passengers. Now I'm fully convinced. So before the flight departs, I just want to take a shower, quick shower, and hot shower, coffee, and some light meal. But the airport is so big, I can't really find where the airport lounge is. There should be 3 lounges available for priority pass members. Let me find the location first. So unlike other major transit international hubs, Doha has a very spacious, large capacity of the international business class lounges. So the furniture is so beautiful, everything is so beautifully designed, so you will have a very quiet, calm, quality time. This is Doha. Food selection was so excellent. You will have nice bakeries and some snack biscuits and yogurt, juice, everything. I love that. So the dedicated chefs are always checking how many people are in the airport lounge, and they ensure that everything is so ready for passengers. And the selection of food is excellent. We have Western, Indian, Chinese, and others, Asian. I just love. I think for transit travelers, shower facility is very, very useful, and then especially for long haul flight. And this shower facility is very, very basic, but it's free. We can use it for free, so it is really, really useful. Let me take a shower to get refreshed. And so I think the Doha airport is really big. So if you want to see the iconic teddy bear, you have to go to other end of this building. And we will have the train, intra-airport train. So it's the best way to see the big iconic yellow teddy bear. We need to take a train to get there. Look at the teddy bear behind me, yellow color teddy bear. It looks like a monster for me, but it is so iconic. It's a symbol of Doha International Airport. And from gate area C and D, it is really far to reach here. It took about 5 or 6 to 10 minutes. So if you don't have much time in a layover, maybe you don't want to take a risk to be here. But after seeing the yellow teddy bear, I had to take a automated people mover again. I had to move from South Concourse to North Concourse, and it took a walk to the boarding gate. Again, it took about at least 10 to 15 minutes. It's a very, very troublesome actually. So if your aircraft is parked at a remote stand, you need to be very careful. Maybe the final call for passengers might be much earlier than scheduled departure time, because passengers have to go to the remote stand from boarding gate. For my case, my flight departed from a remote stand, therefore once I reached the terminal boarding gate at C39, the ground staff was ready for the final call. Marc Kobayashi, transit in 4 hours, Doha Hamad International Airport, Qatar.